Hello, good afternoon. Am I audible? Let me check. Yes, audio is okay here. So, are you able to hear me? Samya, Virendra, Pusham. People still have to join. I have not sent reminder today. Let's see how many people remember and join. Samya, are you able to hear me? Good. Virendra, okay. So, let's move on. As I said, our today's plan is little more differentiation, little more deep, and we are going to start today higher order derivatives. But before that, yesterday what we were discussing differentiating function with respect to another function, correct? And the method we were using is substitution, right? That's the best way. If you differentiate a function with respect to another function, best is substitute u and v, and that is how we can solve very easily. For example, let's start with another question today, very easy one. Suppose if I say differentiate if I say differentiate, say what, x to power x with respect to x log x. So how are you going to do it? How are you going to do it? Any ideas, anyone? So we'll assume, let's say u equal to x to power x. First function which we want to differentiate, let's say u, and let's say v equal to second function against with respect to what we have differentiate. So u equal to x to power x and v equal to x log x, right? So it means what we have to find? Usha, we have to find du over dv, right?
Yes, sir.
That is the main meaning, guys. If you understand the meaning, then very easy. So we have to find du over dv because differentiate u with respect to v. So there are multiple ways of solving. Let's solve it the very easy way first. U equal to x to power x. No, I am telling you. No, let's say u equal to x to power x. That is what we assumed. If I take log both sides, what will become? It will become log of u equal to log of x to power x. Correct? I just put the logarithm both sides of this to become log of u equal to log of x to power x. We always know log of x to power n is this x comes here, this x goes. So log u equal to x log x, right? Or log u equal to x log x is what? V. Log u equal to v. So we can say log u equal to v. Now if you took anti-log, this is another method. I'm not using that du by. We can do that way also, but I'm explaining with another method this time. If log u equal to v, and if we take anti-log again, what u will become? Basic concept of logarithm. U become e to power v or not? U become e to the power v. What is the meaning of log? Log meaning is whatever here, this to the power this equal. I'll give another example here as I explained. Suppose if I say log of 100 base 10 is what? 2, right? That is what log of 100 base 2 is 10, 2. What does it mean? It means the concept of log is what? Base is 10, so 10 power this 2 is 100, right? There is the concept of basic concept of log. Here also, if log of u equal to v, log u means what? Base is e, right? When nothing is mentioned, base is e, natural logarithm, log of e. If log of u base e is v, then you can say e to the power v equal to u. So that is what your standard equation now. U equal to e to the power v. Usha, tell me, if u equal to e to the power v, what is du by dv?
Sir, it will be power v only. Du by dv. Yes, it will be
It will
same.
be
Yes, sir.
same because e to the
Yes,
power
sir.
x log e to the power x differential e to the power x. That is the
Yes, sir.
advantage here. It will be same e to the power v. So my answer would be e to the power v. And e to the power v is what? X log x. V is x log x, right? Or e to the power x log x means what? X to the power x. So final answer is what? Final answer for this question is the definite expression is x to the power x. That's it. So I know if you are not very good with logs or not good with exponents, then you may feel difficult. Otherwise, it's too easy. Understood, everybody? That is the meaning of this. So the answer for this question is x to the power x. Anybody, any confusion here? It's all about basic properties of logs, and then finally GTF. What is GTF? GTG. Okay, I thought Usha got the new acronym. All good. Let's solve another problem. And before we move on to your say higher order derivatives, shall we solve one more question on this? Or enough? We can go to higher order derivative. See, differentiating with one function or another is very easy. Substitute one function as x, one function as u, one function as v, and that's all. Then you directly get du by dv. That's it. Okay. Any question, anyone? Soumya? Nityashri? Virendra? Susham? Okay. Shall I explain the basic concept of log? What is log happens? Let me give you a couple of concept of logs. Okay. What log means? Suppose if I say x equal to 2y, I'm just giving you basic concept of logs. It will help you in differentiation also, integration also. If I take log both sides, or suppose let me give you x square equal to 2y. If I take log both sides, it becomes log of x square equal to log of 2y. Now, property of log is log of x square. So this power comes here. You become 2 log x equal to log 2y. The main property is this power comes here. Anything. Suppose if I say log of 4 to power 3, 4 cube, it is same as 3 times log of 4. If I say log of x equal to y, when I don't write anything, you can always assume base as e, the exponents. So you think it like this. Log x means base is e. So if you write this in the form of without logs, you can say e to the power y equal to x. Log of x equal to y means e to the power y equal to x. Means what happens is, this is the concept I am telling again and again. This to the power this will be equal to the parameter. Tell me, if I ask you log of log of 1000 base 10, what will the value? If you understand logs, what will the value? Let me use 5 minutes for logarithms. What will the log of 1000 to the base 10? Anybody? Log of 1000
Not sure, but maybe 100.
It would be 3 because it
3.
says
3. Yes. 10 raised to 3 equals to
10 raised
1000.
to what? 10 raised to what is 1000? It means that 10 raised to what is 1000. So it is. But there are many properties of logs. Yesterday I put one question on my Instagram. I don't know my Instagram. I don't know how many you solved it, but this is a property. Suppose if say log of, and guys, please note down these 4 or 5 properties. Log of xy is equal to log of x plus log of y. Please note down this. I am going to write 5 important properties. Log of base is same. So log of xy. So there is a product here. So it become log of x plus log of y when there is a product here. But if it is log of x by y, it means log of x minus log of y. If it is log of x to the power y, I explained in my previous question, it simply means y comes as a multiple and it becomes log of x. There are other things which say suppose log of y to the base x. This is a very important. Log of y to the base x. Now let me write x as a separate entity. Log of y to the base x. If you want to make into say some other base, then it becomes log of y by log of x, and the base of both this log will be same. Either you can say e or 10 or y, does not matter. Let me put a here. Any base means what? Means if a log of y to the base x is equivalent to log of y divided by log of x, both of logs base is same. These are the important properties. For example, if I give you example of all of this, if I want to write log of say 6, I can say log of 6 means I can write 3 into 2. So this becomes log of 3 plus log of 2. I don't have a space here, but let me do one thing. Let me move this little bit. Very nice. Okay. One second. I want you to make sure your logs are proper for you. So it was like this. Log of y to the base x equal to log y. So if I give you example of all of this now, and then I'll ask you 3 or 4 questions so that everybody is on the same page in terms of logarithm. It's a very interesting. I didn't plan it, but let's do it. So suppose log of 6. 6 with 3 into 2, so log of 3 plus log of 2. Here when I don't mention base is same in both. If I say log of say take anything, say 8. So I can write 8 as also 16 by 2, just to give example. So means what? Log of 16 minus log of 2. Correct? Now log of 16 also I can write. 16 means what? 4 to the power 2. Okay, let me give you one more idea of this. Now log of 16. 16 can I write as 4 to the power 2? Or I can also write 2 to the power 4, right? 16 means minus log of 2. So instead of 16, I wrote 2 to the power 4. So what is log of 2 to the power 4?
4 log 2.
4 log 2. 4 log 2 minus log 2, which is nothing but 3 log 2. And you will be very happy when you know 3 log 2 means what? 2. I can write 3 log 2 as log of 2 and 3 goes to power. Means log of 8. See, that is how we started with, right? See. So, these properties are all very important.
Sir, how can we express log 2?
Log 2 is a, how we express log 2 in
Can
terms
we
of what?
express it in terms of log x minus?
Say again, what is the question?
In terms of log x minus.
Depend. Log 2 you can write as log 2 as log 10 by 5. Log 10 minus log 5.
Okay, sir.
Correct? 2 means what? 10 by 5. So log 10 minus log 5. But should not know value of log 2, 3, 10. That's why depending on what values are known, or these logarithm tables are there. So like log 2 is 0.303, log 5, 3 is something like that. But these properties are very useful. So you can see, the point is, whenever there is a product, you can always split into addition. When there is division, you can always split into negative. Sorry, subtraction. Power comes in the coefficient. Base, you change the base. Log y to base x, you can change it to something. Let's do through the questions now. Let's see how many you can do this. Log of 32 equal to what? If my base is 2. Log 32 base 2 is what?
Two power 5, we can write 32 as.
So, log 32 to base 2 is 5. So, answer is 5. Why? Because 2 to the power 5 will be 32, right? So, answer for this would be 5. Another question. If I say log of 25, so tell me log 25 will be what? Can I write log? I give you 4 options. Can I write as log of 5 multiply with log of 5? Can I write as log of, okay, let me write small. Log of 5 plus log of 5. Can I write log of 5 minus log of 2? Can I write as 2 log 5? Can I write as 5 log 2? Which of this is correct out of this 5 for this, guys?
Second one and fourth one.
Second one and fourth one. Okay. What other says?
Sir, both of them means the same only, right?
I know. I know. I just want to see how many, because see, if you are uncomfortable with the logs, you will feel all difficult. Now it's very easy. 5 properties of log you can apply anywhere, and then it becomes so easy. Tell me everybody on chat, what do you think? Which of these is correct representation of log 25? Which of these 5 options is correct representation of log 25? Tell me on chat. Log 25. Log 25 means log of 5 times 5, or so log of 5 times 5 means you can say log of 5 plus log of 5. Correct? I explained you. Or you can also write log of 5 into 5 means log of 5 square. तो 2 चला जाएगा यहाँ पे, 2 होगा log of 5. यहाँ पे भी वही मतलब है. Log of 5 plus log of 5 is 2 log of 5. That's it. Right, Usha? You are right, Tusham. Log of x into y is log of x plus log of y. Hence, second one is correct. And even the fourth one is correct. 25 को हम लोग ये भी लिख सकते हैं 5 square. Yes. So everybody, how you write in terms of E? If I say log of z equal to y express in terms of exponential. How do you express this in terms of exponential? Because log and exponents are related. So write on everybody in chat. This would be E correct. This z is small, so that no confusion. Understood everybody? Yes. Okay. So are you clear? Basic logs and exponents all related. Logs and exponents are reverse operations. Z equal to e to power y. Right, Nityashri? Right, Soumya? Usha clear? Tushar clear?
Yes.
Log and exponents are very important for your 11th, 12th maths, where you use lot of integration and differentiation. So let's start now. Higher order derivatives. Higher order, very easy, derivatives. Higher order derivative means what? Suppose if I say y equal to 5x to the power 4. As I told you, when you take first time derivative dy by dx, it is known as first order derivative. What will be dy by dx? 5 times x4 means 4, x cube, right? This everybody knows. Derivative of 5x4 is so कितना है ये 20x cube. So dy by dx is 20x cube, or you also represent dy by dx as y1. Y1 means like this also we represent y1 or y dash. Either you say dy by dx or y1 or y dash. So that is 20x cube. So y1 is 20x cube. That is my first order derivative. If I say find y2, what is y2 means? Y2 means second order derivative. You will say d2y by dx2 or y2. So that is a representation, guys. Either you will say d2y by dx2, it's just a representation. Or you will say y2 or y dash dash. The problem with dash dash is how many dash you put, d1, d3 dash, 4 dash, 5 dash. y1, y2, y3, y4 is better. This will be how much? You take differentiation of this again to become 60 x square. Tell me everybody, what will be y3 and y4? And y5 and y6?
Y3 will be 120x.
Again you differentiate, so it become 120x. So this is what? What is y4?
120.
120. What is y5?
0 constant.
0. What is y6?
X. 0 again.
Again 0, or you can also say doesn't exist actually. It doesn't exist. So that's it. So the point here, what I'm trying to make here is, it's not okay. It's not about y6. It's about, this is my function, dy by dx, d2y by d2 x square. So first order derivative, second order derivative, third order derivative, fourth order derivative, fifth order derivative. That is known as higher order derivative. That's it. Higher order derivative. That is the meaning of higher order derivative. Okay. Let's solve few questions. Let's see how many of you can do this. Higher order derivative very easy once we understood the overall derivative. And we are going to use term y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. Let's solve. Let's see how many you can solve it. If y equal to 10x, prove that y2 equal to 2y y1. Can you prove that? Tell me. Take your time. If y equal to 10x, prove that y2 equal to 2y into y1. Who will solve with me this one? Nitish, you want to try with me?
So y1 is equal
Y
y1
equal to 10x. So y1 is the first derivative, right?
is secant square x.
Secant square x. Let me write secant square x this way. So y1 is secant square x. This is standard form. Then
y2 is equal to 2 secant x dot secant x tan x.
because it's a function of function, secant square x, it means secant x square, secant x whole square, or x square, so become 2x, matlab 2 secant x, right? That's what you said.
Yes, sir.
And
2
then
secant x
multiply with
tan x.
differentiation of secant is secant x tan x. So secant x. Okay. Then what? That is y2.
This is the left hand side, sir. Now we have to multiply by 2 tan x.
Or we can directly substitute, like how y2 is here, 2 is here. Instead of 10x, can I write y?
Yes, sir.
So it become y.
Secant x into secant x, secant
Secant
square
square,
x.
that is y1.
First derivative.
So we got this, right? That is what we wanted. It's a 2-line question. Very good. Niteshri. Too easy, everyone. Because we don't have the first derivative, second derivative, just substitution. All CC. Good. Any question, Usha?
No, sir.
Okay, let everybody try. Usha, you will try this one. Y equal to 10 inverse x. Y equal to 10 inverse x. Find y2 Find y2 in terms of y only. Means we don't need any x, we need only in y. Find y2 in terms of y alone. Take your time, everybody, and then Usha will start after 30 seconds. So let's start now. Again, there is something we can apply, then very easy. So Usha, what is given as y equal to tan inverse x, right?
Tan inverse x, yes, sir.
So one way is we find the dy by dx in terms of x and then 1 by x square and all one. But there is another way. You know what? Y equal to tan inverse x. If we rearrange, can we say it becomes tan
X
of
equals
y?
to- Yes, sir. X equals to tan of y.
And that is very important, guys. See, inverse means what? If we just this. So y equal to tan inverse means x equal to tan y. Or let me arrange in a this way, which Usha said, right, Usha?
Yes.
So x equal to tan y. Now, if we differentiate this with respect to y, Usha,
Y.
that is
Yes,
more
sir.
easy.
Yes, sir.
So it becomes dx by dy. guys.
dx by dy.
Not, what is differentiation of tan y? Secant square y.
6, huh?
So that is what it is.
Yes, sir.
So dx by dy is this. Now can we reciprocal it? If you
Yes, sir.
reciprocal it becomes dy by dx,
Yes.
which is what? 1 by secant
1
square
by
y.
sec.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Or we can say dy by dx is cos square y,
Cos
right?
sec. Huh.
So can I write as y1?
Yes, sir.
y1 is cos square
Cos y.
cos square y, right?
Square. Cos square y, yes.
That is my y1 or dy
Y1.
by dx. Now it's very easy to find d2y by y2 or not. Now we know y1 is cos square y. y2 will be function of function cos square y.
Cos.
तो x square का क्या होता है 2x होता है
2 cos y
तो 2 cos y तो पहले आ गया
into sin.
करेक्ट
Yes.
फिर cos y का क्या होता है
Sin.
माइनस sin y
Minus sin. Yes.
तो माइनस लगा दो यहाँ पे sin y हो गया और अभी y बचा है
Y with respect to y.
तो dy by dx.
dx. Yes.
That's why the basic concepts are important कि what when we differentiate because y is a function, it's not x, it's y. So y2 is minus 2 cos y sin y into dy by dx, right? And dy by dx we already know, right, Usha?
Yes.
तो substitute कर दो यहाँ पे. So y2 is minus 2
2
cos y sin y
sin into cos square.
Actually hand से लिखने में टाइम ज़्यादा लगता है, but and dy by dx is 1 by sec square y. तो ऊपर लेके cos y कर दो
Cos
cos square y.
square. Yes, cos square.
Cos square y. What is the final answer?
Minus
Answer
2
is
cos cube y sin y.
Minus 2 cos cube. And question was finding this in the y alone. We have y alone in the right side, right? Sin of y. So that is the final answer. Right, Usha?
Yes, sir.
So see how it become easy, guys, because we are able to first step itself we are able to convert. वो हम लोग उसके चक्कर में नहीं पड़े tan over x का 1 by x का. We can do that way also. But this is more easy. So y2 is equal to minus 2 cos cube y sin y. Please ask me if anybody has any confusion. All good? Let's try next one then. GTG CC, perfect. This time you will try. Question is, if y cube minus y equal to 2x, find y2. Everybody find out, please. Let's see what answer you get. And when I say find y2, you have to find y2 in the terms of y only, guys. That is important. Let's see how many of you get it. Tell me if you want hint, I'll give you hint. Y cube minus y equal to 2x, find d2y by dx square or y2. The easier way is, instead of finding dy by dx, find dx by dy first. That is more easy. Shall I solve it now? Usha is getting 3y, 6y.
Sir, I was a little bit confused. So I think it will be 6y.
Let's see. So I'll use the hand, that's better. So y cube minus y equal to 2x. And guys, I am differentiating with respect to y. I am not doing dy by dx. I am doing dx by dy. तो y cube का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? 3y स्क्वायर डायरेक्ट. y का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या होगा? 1, क्योंकि हम लोग कर रहे हैं डिफरेंशिएट विद रेस्पेक्ट टू y, मतलब dx by dy इक्वल टू 2. x का क्या होगा? dx by dy. अब क्वेश्चन है कि हमने dx by dy क्यों किया, dy by dx क्यों नहीं किया? जस्ट बिकॉज y क्यूब और y वहां पे y क्यूब था, तो बिकम मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स, इसलिए हम लोगों ने, सॉरी, ये मेरा आया 3y स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इक्वल टू 2 dx by dy. कर सकते राइट, हमारी मर्जी dy by dx करे या dx by dy करे. वी हैव डन dx by dy. अब आई विल रेसिप्रोकल इट, so my dy by dx will become what? Soumya, what dy by dx become? It will become 2 over 3y square minus 1 or not, guys? Usha, ठीक है ये?
Yes, sir. I got my mistake.
Okay, so we done dy by dx equal to 2 over 3y square minus 1. अब क्या करना है हमको? You to find y2, मतलब you to find d2y by dx. तो इसको एक बार और डिफरेंशिएट कर दो. डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे d2y by dx स्क्वायर मतलब y2. नो विल यूज द रूल ऑफ डिवीजन. डिवीजन रूल क्या होता है? डिनोमिनेटर में तो स्क्वायर हो जाता है, राइट? तो साहब डिफरेंशिएशन का रूल डिवीजन का क्या है? इट्स u v डैश माइनस v डैश u डिवाइड बाय v स्क्वायर. वही होता है ना, तो स्क्वायर. एंड न्यूमरेटर में क्या होगा? First we do 2 3y square minus 1 डिफरेंशिएट ऑफ 2, वो तो 0 हो गया, माइनस 2, वो तो 0 हो गया शुरू में, राइट, माइनस 2 इंटू डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 3y स्क्वायर माइनस 1, 3y स्क्वायर का डिफरेंशिएट क्या होगा?
6y.
6y और dy by dx, right? Guys, don't miss that. 6y into dy by dx, right? Yes, Surya?
Sir, with respect to x we are doing it.
Yes, because we
Okay,
are doing dy by dx ना, इसका हम वो कर रहे हैं ना, डिफरेंशिएशन
Okay, sir.
second time. So differentiate of 3y square minus 1 is 6y into dy by dx, और फिर 1 का तो 0 है, right? So that is what my. So if I put like this, it is y square equal to minus 2 into 6, so 12 minus 12y dy by dx का वैल्यू डालना है. dy by dx कितना था मेरा? dy by dx is this, right? So I'll substitute that 2 by 3y square minus 1. ये तो मेरा यहाँ पे था, और बाकी ये तो नीचे स्क्वायर तो एज इट इज, I'll put it. What we did, we just used the product rule. इसको u माना, इसको v माना. u dash into v, तो u dash तो 0 है because 2 का डिफरेंस 0. u dash into v minus u into v dash. v dash मतलब 3y square minus 1 का डिफरेंशिएशन. 3y square का डिफरेंस होता है 6y into dy by dx, और 1 का होता है 0. So minus 0 मैंने लिखा नहीं है. That's it. Divided by v square. Now what I'm doing is, this minus 2 into 6y is minus 12y. dy by dx, I am substituting the value of this dy by dx here. It becomes this. Finally, when I simplify, my actually y square नहीं है ये, y2 है. Why am I writing y square? It is y2, right? d2y by dx. d2 है guys, sorry, this. So my y2 is equal to कितना होगा ऊपर? minus 12 into minus 24y. जय सूर्या, करेक्ट है ये?
Yes, sir.
By
3y square minus 1 whole cube.
That's it. 3y square minus 1 whole cube, because ये जो है ये नीचे आ जाएगा. Tell me guys now. Method is very easy. We have to just work out the steps. Okay, let's move on. Any question, anyone? I'll wait for 10 seconds. If any question. No question. Let's do another question. Higher order differentiation. If I say if e to the power x plus 1 and that is equal to 1, check if y2 equal to y1. Okay, let me write y2 y1 properly, so that check if y2 मतलब कि dy second order derivative is equal to square of the first order derivative. Check, anybody tell me, is it true or false? If y2 equal to y1 square or not? I'll tell you some very good property of logs here. I don't know how many of you know, if I say log of, say, log of x by y, log of x by y, एक जनरल बता रहा हूं, not on this question, log of x by y. If I want to reciprocal it or change it, if I want to write in terms of log of y by x, I can do it. Only sign will change. I can say log of x by y is nothing but log of y by x. कोई डिफरेंशिएशन जो डिवीजन करते हैं ये हो जाएगा. Log of x by y is nothing but minus of log of y by x. You can always reciprocal the parameter, because reciprocal means you're doing 1 divided by. So you can always do that. Now, how it is useful here? Check. My question is what? E to the power y, x plus 1 equal to 1. अगर मैं x साइड y ले लूं, x साइड x ले लूं, तो ये हो जाएगा. My question become this, right? This is my question. E to power y equal to 1 by x plus 1. If I apply log of both sides, guys, if I apply log of both sides, log of this equal to log of this, can I do that, right? Log of Ey equal to log of 1 by x plus 1. What is log of Ey? ये होता है ना log of Ey?
Oh, yes, sir.
What is log of 1 by x plus 1?
Minus log x plus 1.
Perfect. It become minus log of x plus 1. Reciprocal कर लिया मैंने x plus 1 को, 1 by x plus 1 को. So now it becomes so easy. Y equal to minus log of x plus 1. अगर y equal to minus log of x plus 1, sorry, not x minus 1.
X plus 1.
वो typing mistake. So if you know y equal to minus of log x plus 1, can you find dy by dx or not? So dy by dx, or we'll say y1. That is more easy. So let me write y1 here. Dy by dx or y1. What is with dy by dx of log of x plus 1? What is differentiation of log of x plus 1 with respect to x? Log x का होता है 1 by x, right? So 1 by x plus 1 into differentiation of x plus 1 is 1 only.
Minus.
हाँ minus आएगा, but I'm doing first I'm doing log x and minus. So that is my y1. Everybody agree? If y1 is this, what will be y2? Again differentiate this with respect to x. क्या होगा? u dash v minus v dash u by v square. तो ये तो पहले v square लिख लेते नीचे, x plus 1 whole square. Now u dash 0 into v, तो चला गया, माइनस फिर u इंटू, तो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x प्लस 1 इंटू 1. करेक्ट एवरीबडी? Normal division. So it become 1 by x plus 1 whole square or not? I'm using normal differentiation using the division rule. Correct? See, this is my u, this is my v. So u dash is 0. 0 into something 0. Minus u means 1 or minus 1, so minus minus plus into v dash. V dash means differential of x plus 1. So 1. So it becomes 1 by x plus 1 whole square. So y2 equal to 1 by x plus 1 whole square. And what was y1? This is my y2. This was my y1. So y2 is equal to, इसका स्क्वायर करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 1 by x plus 1 square. We can say y2 equal to y1 square or not? Correct? This one is square of this one. Is it difficult or is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Clear, Jayashurya. Usha? Nityashri?
Yes, sir.
पक्का ना? Clear है ना? Virendra? Confusion है कोई उषा?
No, sir. Clear.
पक्का?
Yes,
Virendra?
sir.
Susham? I know there is a lot of logs here, but that is what in differentiation logs and exponentials are very, very prominent. So we have to do that. Perfect. Let's try something more. Clear. Very good. So let me check what else. Okay, if I give you this, let's see how many you can find out. If I say if y equal to x to the power x, this is a very, very popular question. So I keep giving x to the power x. Find y2. Matlab d2y by dx2. Everybody find out. It's an easy question. I want to see how many you can get it. If y equal to x to the power x, and best thing is take log of both sides and make it simple. X to the power x will not work otherwise. Take log both sides, it becomes so easy. Yesterday I also used this kind of question when I was explaining how to convert x to the power x. So it's like that only. So I'll give you, so y equal to just one line and then you can solve. Y equal to x to the power x. Take log both sides. So log of y equal to log of x to the power x or log of y equal to x log x. Use this equation and find differentiation. First time y1 and then y2. That's it. Try. First tell me how much dy by dx you are getting, so that I know that you are doing right. As soon as you get dy by dx in terms of y or x, tell me.
1 plus log x by y into 1 plus log x.
Say again.
Y into 1 plus log x.
You are right. You are right. Y into 1 plus log x. Who will explain this first? So if you have to get first derivative, which is we do dy by dx. So how will do it? Who want to explain me? Usha, you want to try?
Yes, sir.
Log y equal to x log x. Differentiate
Yes,
दोनों side. So log y का क्या होता है पहले? 1 by
1 by y.
into
Sir.
dy by dx. Correct? Left side. We cannot remove that. We cannot see. Many times we forget, but it is like the differentiate y with respect to x. So dy by dx आएगा. Right side is x log x. So product rule, right?
Product rule, yes.
लगाओ product rule.
X into 1 by x.
X into 1 by x plus
Log x
into
1.
अब इसको लिखना
सर
है
यहाँ पे मुझे कंफ्यूजन हुआ जैसे log y है and we are differentiating it with respect to x, तो वो 1 by y होगा या फिर y है, तो वो मुझे थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो गया.
मैं बताता हूँ. देखो वो कंफ्यूजन आता है सबको. देखो क्या होता है, our function is y log, we are doing log y, we are different with respect to y, correct? With respect to x we are differentiating, right?
Yes sir.
So y is a function of x, correct?
Okay.
तो इट्स अ फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन और नॉट. तो पहले log y का किया तो 1/y आया, फिर y का भी करना पड़ेगा ना.
अच्छा, in that way. अगर ये सिर्फ y होता तो ये 0 हो जाता, राइट?
अगर ये सिर्फ y होता तो इसे ये आता dy by dx बस.
Only dy by dx. Okay.
अगर ये x होता, अगर ये log x होता, सपोज, आई नो योर क्वेश्चन इज, अगर ये log y नहीं log x होता
हाँ.
तो सिर्फ 1/x आता.
Okay.
Because log x था 1/x, correct?
Okay.
You are different with respect to x. हाँ, अगर इसको different with respect to y करती हो तो सिर्फ 1/y आएगा.
हाँ.
सब क्लियर हुआ कैसे करते, कब ऐसा करते हैं?
यस सर, मुझे ये लगा कि अगर x के टर्म्स में कर रहे तो ये तो गायब हो जाता है.
नहीं, वो तो ये वाला गायब होगा, इधर वाला ना.
हाँ. ओके.
देखो सिंपल से बात लेता हूँ मैं. सपोज उषा y इक्वल टू log x है.
हाँ.
इसको डिफरेंट करें विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x, तो y का तो क्या हुआ, dy by dx हुआ.
यस, ये dy by dx और इक्वल्स टू 1/x.
करेक्ट.
यस.
लेकिन अगर x इक्वल टू log y है और हम लोग वी आर डिफरेंट स्टिल विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x ओनली,
तो 1 इक्वल्स टू
1 तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
अब log y का क्या होगा, इसे फंक्शन ऑफ फंक्शन, log y का होगा 1/y.
So function.
अब y का क्या होगा, dy by dx. That is the point. And this is see many people omit this उषा, और ये किससे गड़बड़ होता है. लोग सोचते हैं अरे तो डायरेक्ट 1/y हो जाएगा, ऐसा नहीं, because you respect to x कर रहे. So we got 1/y. Everybody okay on this? So 1/y into dy by dx equal to x. तो इसको अगर अच्छे से लिख लें तो it is 1/y. dy by dx को मैं y1 लिख देता हूँ because we'll use this, equal to x into 1/x, तो 1 हो गया और 1 plus log x हो गया. Let me write in a कीबोर्ड में, तो ये हो गया dy by dx. अच्छा, मैं y को राइट साइड में ले आता हूँ, हो गया y into 1 plus log x. So tell me everybody okay on this till now, right Usha and everybody?
Yes,
dy by dx equal to y 1 plus log x. अब इसको क्या करना है, now we have to make it second derivative. उषा तू भी सॉल्व करो मेरे साथ, so that will be very clear. इसको फर्स्ट फंक्शन मानेंगे,
यस,
इसको सेकंड मानेंगे,
सेकंड मानेंगे.
तो राइट साइड में तो dy by dx को करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, d2y by dx तो
जी हाँ, d2
y2 बोल दो उसको.
y2. हाँ.
अब करते हैं फर्स्ट फंक्शन, इसको फर्स्ट फंक्शन मानो,
y को
इसको सेकंड मानो.
यस.
तो पहले हुआ, पहले u v
u हाँ, तो फर्स्ट y, सो y को वो छोड़ देते हैं एंड 1 plus log x को अगर करेंगे
कर लेते हैं, तो 1 का हुआ 0,
1 का 0 प्लस 1/x.
ये तो हमारा हो गया
v dash
फर्स्ट फंक्शन इनटू सेकंड फंक्शन डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस
1 plus log x.
अब 1 plus log x वैसे लिख लेते हैं.
यस.
अब डिफरेंट करेंगे
y को
तो क्या होगा,
1 into dy by dx.
that's it. y का dy by dx, right?
यस.
That's it. तो हमारा y2 या d2 आइडिया हो गया 0 प्लस, तो y by x तो ये आ गया
यस.
प्लस, ज्यादा कुछ चेंज नहीं है इसमें, तो 1 plus log x dy by dx. अब सिर्फ dy by dx का वैल्यू डाल दो इसमें, काम खत्म. जो है आंसर में ये नहीं आना चाहिए dy by dx. आंसर में हमको सिर्फ y2 y1 और वो चलेगा, तो y2 y1 में नहीं चलेगा, तो y2 इक्वल टू y by x प्लस 1 plus log x, और dy by dx कितना था मेरा, y into 1 plus log x, right?
y into 1 plus log x.
तो y 1 plus log x into 1 plus log x, तो स्क्वायर हो गया. करेक्ट उषा?
यस.
बस अब चाहे तो कॉमन ले लो, y लेना है तो, नहीं तो इट्स ओके. Got everybody? So finally y के बदले you again put x to power x. मतलब if you want to simplify more, क्या करने वाले हो, y कॉमन आया उषा,
यस.
तो क्या बच गया,
1 by x
प्लस
1 plus log x square.
that's it, 1 प्लस log x। अच्छा मुझे थोड़ा इसको ऊपर करने दो। 1 प्लस log x होल स्क्वायर। अब क्या करना है, क्योंकि इसमें बिल्कुल क्लियर दिख रहा है x अलग है और y अलग है, नो वी कैन इजीली सब्स्टिट्यूट। y का मतलब क्या था क्वेश्चन में, x टू पावर x, वो डाल दो तो तुम्हारा राइट साइड में सिर्फ x हो गया, लेफ्ट साइड में सिर्फ y हो गया। दैट्स इट, दैट इज अ बेटर वे ऑफ राइटिंग। गॉट एवरीबॉडी? दैट इज हाउ यू सॉल्व हायर ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव आल्सो, कि पहले y1 निकालो, फिर y2 निकालो, फिर y3 निकालो if you want, but everywhere keep making, see the concept, the point here is how to make it simple, and the making simple यहाँ पे है कि we take a log or put it in the form of e depending upon किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, either you make it log or you take only e form. That's it. है किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन? Because I am planning to start from next week integration calculus, which will be very fun, challenging and fun, and we are going to do many classes on integration calculus because we have to do all different types. They are so much. In generally it takes 2 months just to explain the integration calculus.
इंटीग्रेशन से पहले लिमिट होगा या फिर इंटीग्रेशन के बाद लिमिट?
Limit is not in part of this, Usha. दो method limit. So we'll do integration calculus. It's big. We'll do differential equation after that. Let's see, because I don't think we'll complete in April. We have to do little class in May also. Because earlier plan was till April only.
Like integration without limit.
No, if you're talking about definite integral, we'll do that.
Oh.
See, if you're talking about definite integral, we'll do that. वहाँ पे limit use करेंगे. But you, if you want to do limit as a topic, that is different. So limit as a topic,
definite integral. Yes,
वो तो करेंगे, वो लोग करेंगे. पहले हम करेंगे indefinite integral और फिर करेंगे definite integral.
हाँ, yes.
मुझे लगा तुम जो लिमिट वाला टॉपिक बोलो जो 11th क्लास में, वो तो 11th क्लास में. Right, Jasurya. In the next class onwards, whole reverse. And guys, integration is very interesting, very challenging, very interesting topic. So let's see how we do it. Okay. Any questions? Good. So don't miss it. We'll meet next week again. We start with the integral calculus. Thank you and bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.